To Brian, akala ko mahirap maging kaibigan. Mas mahirap palang maging kaibigan lang. Pag kaibigan lang, kaibigan lang. Maybe that was my mistake. Falling in love with you, my best friend. Masyado siguro akong naniwala sa friends to lovers. Nakakatawa, di ba? Naniwala ako ng todo sa idea na perfect match, the perfect love. Pero nagkamali ako, mas mahirap pala. Hindi pala lahat pwedeng ganon. Sometimes, magiging one-sided siya. Siguro my story was one of those. Baka mali ko din talaga. I was blinded by your actions. Nabigyan ko ng meaning lahat. Akala ko reciprocated, pero hindi pala. I was too focused with the actions and things na ginagawa mo para sa akin. Yung safety and comfort na pinaparamdam mo sa akin, na naligaw ako sa word na friends, na andun level lang pala tayo. Ngayon ang hirap-hirap umusad sa pagmamahal na parehas natin nararamdaman, pero magkaiba ang kahulugan. Sana kasi una pa lang pinilit ko ng pigilan. Dapat pagkakaibigan lang. Kaibigan lang. From Sheila. Sheila, minsan hindi mali ang magmahal. Hindi rin mali ang umasa. Ang masakit lang yung realization na hindi pala pareho ang chapter na binabasa ninyo sa iisang libro. Falling in love with your best friend is beautiful until it becomes one-sided. Hindi ka tanga, hindi ka assuming, you were just in love. At kapag mahal mo ang tao, even the smallest actions feel like promises. Kahit simpleng comfort, nagiging confession sa puso mong hopeful. Pero tandaan mo, not all love stories are meant to be completed. Some are meant to be teachings. Maybe this wasn't your forever, but it was real. And real love, kahit hindi masuklian, still makes you brave. Hindi ka nagkamali dahil nagmahal ka. Nagmahal ka lang ng totoo. And balang araw, may taong hindi ka papaasahin. Someone who will say, hindi ka kaibigan lang. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko. For now, allow yourself to heal. Kasi minsan, ang pinaka-mature na pagmamahal ay yung kaya mong pakawalan. Thank you very much, Sheila, for your letter tonight. And we really appreciate you opening up and sharing your feelings through this letter para kay Brian.